This is the first official hands-on moment with Samsung's next Galaxy Ultra, and the excitement is immediate. The device hasn't been announced yet, but it's already making noise. Shared by Saudi Android, these early hands-on images are moving fast online. At a glance, the phone looks refined and self-assured, with a finish that feels premium right away, making it hard not to look closer. Samsung hasn't confirmed whether these images are authentic, but they deliver a strong early impression of what may be on the way. The overall design appears mature and intentional, not flashy for attention, but confident in execution. Everything about it suggests Samsung is carefully shaping the Ultra's next step, and what stands out most becomes clear the moment you look at the back. The biggest surprise is the camera layout. Instead of the individual camera rings seen on recent Galaxy S26 Ultra models, this phone appears to use a single, unified camera module. All three lenses sit together on a subtly raised platform, giving the rear a cleaner and more cohesive look that immediately feels different from the past. That camera arrangement feels familiar for a reason. It closely mirrors Samsung's foldable design language, particularly what we've seen on devices like the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and the Z Trifold. This strongly hints that Samsung may be aligning its premium devices under one shared visual identity, something that hasn't always been the case before. The images also suggest a flat frame design, and yes, the S Pen slot is clearly present. That confirms Samsung is keeping stylus support front and center, staying true to what defines the Ultra series. For users who depend on the S Pen, this detail alone reinforces that Samsung isn't walking away from the Ultra's core identity. Of course, none of this is official yet. These are still unconfirmed hands-on images, and Samsung has not revealed any details about the Galaxy S26 Ultra publicly. Every detail should be taken carefully. Still, the timing matters. With the expected Galaxy S26 launch just a month away, leaks are starting to appear more frequently. One recent report claims the Galaxy S26 Ultra will launch in 6 colors. According to Evan Blass, the lineup includes black, cobalt, violet, pink, gold, silver shadow, sky blue, and white. Some of these feel familiar, but cobalt violet instantly stands out as a likely centerpiece option, meant to catch attention. That cobalt violet shade reportedly echoes the titanium violet color once seen on the Galaxy S24 Ultra. At the same time, an orange version now appears less likely. If that's true, Samsung may be stepping away from color trends expected on the iPhone 17 Pro lineup, choosing a direction that feels more independent. Attention now turns fully to Samsung. As the launch gets closer, the volume of leaks continues to rise. Something important feels imminent. Rather than rushing changes, Samsung appears to be focusing on careful refinements, setting the stage for a future that feels deliberate, controlled, and thoughtfully evolved. Adding to this, trusted insider Ice Universe has shared live images of the Galaxy S26 Ultra's SIM tray. That small component reveals more than expected. It confirms dual physical SIM support, though availability may vary by region, since some markets still prioritize eSIM configurations over physical cards. Those SIM tray images also point to the main color lineup: black shadow, white shadow, galactual blue, and ultraviolet. Among them, ultraviolet is expected to be Samsung's hero color, the one most prominently featured in marketing. Still, each color brings its own distinct character to the lineup. There's also renewed talk of an orange variant possibly existing as an online-only exclusive. Meanwhile, reports suggest Galaxy Unpacked could happen on February 25th in San Francisco. At the same time, leaker Ahmed Corder corrected earlier charging rumors, confirming the base Galaxy S26 will support 25-watt charging. Hardware upgrades are still coming across the lineup. The Galaxy S26 is expected to feature a 6.3-inch display and a 4300 mAh battery, both increases over last year. The S26 Plus moves to 4900 mAh with 45-watt charging, while the Ultra leads with 5000 mAh and 60-watt charging, clearly reinforcing its flagship position.